All right, so here's the simple truth. Feeding your dog the right food is important for health and well-being. So here's the best types of food to consider. Number one, high quality commercial dog food. Look for brands that use real meat as the first ingredient and avoid fillers like corn or soy. Brands like Royal Canin, Hill Science Diet, Blue Buffalo, they offer balanced nutrition with high quality ingredients, okay? Number two, protein rich foods. Dogs need protein for muscle, for their growth, for energy, so foods with chicken, beef, or fish as a main protein source are excellent. Ensure that the food has a good balance of protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Number three, grain-fed options. Some dogs are sensitive to grains. Grain-free dog foods, which use ingredients like sweet potatoes or peas instead of wheat or corn, can be a good alternative. Brands like Taste of the Wild and Wellness offer grain-free options, okay? Number four, dog food with omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These healthy fats support skin and coat health. Look for foods that include fish oil or flaxseed, okay? Number five, fresh or home-cooked meals. If you prefer to cook your own food for your dog, make sure to include lean meats, vegetables, and grains. So avoid foods that are toxic to dogs like onions, garlic, and chocolate. Always consult a veterinarian to determine the best diet for your dog's specific needs and health conditions, okay?